Hey friends, let's do Into the Night guitar lesson by Benny Mardones. I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So starting with this C minor 7, we're just going to do a down up to G minor 7, down, down, down up. Repeat that again, C minor 7, G minor 7, C minor 7, down up. This time on the G minor 7, just do a down up, go back to an F minor, do a down, and then for the build up, do it on an F minor over C. So it's the same chord, we're just playing from the A string down, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and repeat that again, C minor 7, to G minor 7, again, and the strumming pattern different on the G minor 7, down, up, and then just go to F minor and hold there for 2 bars. And that's our intro there. So we're starting again on the C minor 7, down up to the G minor 7, same as the intro, down, down, down up, C minor 7, down up to the G minor 7, just do a down up, go to an A flat, we're going to do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, down up, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 3 and 4, then go to F minor, same strumming pattern, down up to G minor 7, back to F minor, to our G minor 7, down up to our A flat, the same strumming pattern we did on the previous A flat. And that's our verse there. So for our chorus, we're doing the A flat, but this time we're going to do it down, 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 up to B flat, same strumming pattern. So they're all half a bar, G minor, same again. Then go to a C minor 7, we're just going to do the down, down, up to B flat, down, down, up, and we repeat that again. So our A flat to our B flat, G minor, C minor 7 to B flat. Then just finish on the A flat and then do a down, down, down to the B flat, down, down, down. And that's our first chorus there. Then we're just going back to the first line of our intro, the C minor 7 to the G minor 7, again, with the down up and the G minor 7, to the F minor and our build up. And that's the post chorus. So for our next verse, we just repeat the first verse again, and then we continue on with our C minor 7 to our G minor 7, C minor 7, G minor 7, Now we go to F minor, do a down up, a G minor 7, down up, back to our A flat with the same build up as before. 2 and 3 and 4, 3 and 4 and back to F minor, the same, to our G minor 7, F minor again, to G minor 7 with a down up, to the A flat again, same build up. And that's our second verse there. Now our next chorus is the same. This time we're doing the first line 4 times through. So our A flat, to our B flat, to our G minus, to our C minus 7, to our B flat. Do that 4 times. So it's the same as our previous chorus, except last time we just did it 2. Then finish on our A flat again, to our B flat again. And that's our second chorus. So this time we're starting on the A flat. We're going to do a down, down, down up. Go to an A flat 9. So we just got 4th fret on the E string, 6 on the A, 4 on the D there, 5 on the G, 4 on the B, and we're adding our little finger on the 6 on the E there. We're going to do a down, down, up, back to the A flat, down, down, up. And we do that 2 times there. So then we're coming up to E flat, and we're going to do the same strumming pattern, except this time we're going to go E flat to E sus2. So down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Do that 2 times. Go back to the A flat, do that the same as before. Then go to an F minor and just do our down, 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 up, down, 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 up to a B flat. And that's our instrumental there. So for our last chorus, we're just repeating the A flat, half a bar, to the B flat, to the G minor, to the C minor 7, to the B flat. And just repeat that all the way through to the end. And they're all the guitar parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Into the Night Guitar Lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 80s rock, glam and pop, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'll see you soon.